Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of hyaluronic acid powder. So this is basically a dietary supplement that will help you out with your skin hydration and will also act as a dye facial serum. So now, as you can see on their official website, they had a 4.4 rating out of 5 stars, which is based on 421 reviews. But we cannot trust the reviews on their official website, so I tried searching for this product on some legit platform, and here is a big green signal about this platform. Like, this product is also available on Amazon, which means it has a layer of safety checks. So this product has overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, which is actually an excellent rating. And other very good signal right there is the based on 2,500 plus reviews, which means a lot of people have actually bought this product and have found it very useful. So another good thing about this, once I tried searching for the reviews on iHerb, I got to know it has a 4.9 rating, which is pretty much an excellent rating. It is based on 69 reviews. So once I tried searching for the domain name information of the official website, I got to know it was registered back in 2015, which means it has been in the market for more than 10 years. So this is also another green signal about this product. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on this information and reviews, I would say like this product is pretty much a legit one and you should try it out. I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.